Okay, this is yield calculations problem 3. Now, in problem 3, we've got making ammonia from hydrogen. It's a tricky ratio. We've got hydrogen, which has a mass of 2, and we have ammonia, which has a mass of 17. So the calculation is quite simple to start with. We've got 90 grams of hydrogen, so it's 90 divided by 2, so that's 45 moles of hydrogen. And then we notice that we've got a really tricky ratio. 3 is going to 2, so therefore moles of ammonia will equal to 45 times 2 divided by 3, which is 30 moles of ammonia. Therefore mass of ammonia is 30 times 17, which equals 510 grams. So therefore percentage yield is equal to 153 mass we obtained divided by theoretical mass times 100, which equals a nice round 30%.